Well, hello there. You're looking good today. So, I'm going to try and do something a little bit different today. Maybe do a little bit of a photography video, maybe, depending on what we see. I haven't seen anything yet. A couple of birds went by, blue jays. That's about it. I'm hoping to maybe see an owl. I haven't seen an owl here for quite a few years. There was one hanging around for about 10 years, so I'm thinking it might have died because I haven't seen it for a while, but I'm on the hunt. So that's what we're doing today. Maybe some deer, owls, who knows, turkeys, guaranteed squirrel. Alright, stay tuned. Well, that was pretty cool. There was 3 woodpeckers up on top of that tree, all hanging out, calling each other. That was pretty cool. Got a little bit of video, a couple of pictures. That's what we're looking for. Right on. Well, hopefully something else turns up here real quick. Look at that, one of my maple syruping maples snapped off the top here. We had some high winds the other day, and I guess that's one of the culprits. Been walking for a while, haven't really seen too much. I don't know if the bush is just too thick here or what, but I figured it'd be pretty good to it'd be a good day to see them. There's no leaves on the trees yet. It's cloudy, overcast. You know, you're not going to blow out your highlights too much. Oh. Birds going by. So yeah, I just finished walking through that field. Back there you see. And I decided to come and get a picture of this stream. It's nothing spectacular, but I don't know. It's something. So I'm going to head on down this way. And it's going to get actually a little bit thicker. But whatever. See what we can see, I guess. Got some more woodpeckers on video. I didn't get any pictures. It's kind of mediocre pictures. They're pretty far away. Makes for some good video though. So, I guess onwards. Hopefully I see something. I'm just kind of picturing an owl sitting in, can you even see it? You know, sitting up there, kind of just looking at me. And then it just stays there for an hour, flapping its wings and stuff, you know? Kind of. That's what I was hoping for. Nice thing of sun coming in on it, only on the owl. Nice and golden. Well, I guess we're gonna go try and find that. Well, all the way at the very back of my property right now, and I didn't really see too much else. So yeah, that's too bad. Oh well. Next time, maybe I'll go out a little bit later and, I don't know, go out to the water, go out to the river, see if there's any ducks, geese, things like that. I got some pretty good pictures yesterday of geese. I was distracted during the best part though. A car went by and I kind of looked behind me, and then the geese took off, and that's the part that I wanted to get, and that's the part that I missed. But I got lots of very good photos of them. They were probably, I don't know, about 500 or 600 yards away, and then I pulled in with the truck, went up to the beach, and they swam right up to me. So obviously they must be city slickers, I guess, because they swam right up to me looking for bread or something. I don't know. But yeah, that was a woodpecker in the background there. So I'm going to head her home, I guess, take the trail, and hopefully I see something on the way. I would have loved to have seen an owl or a hawk sitting in a tree or something, you know. But beggars can't be choosers. I got to see some woodpeckers. There's lots of woodpeckers back here, holy. Just finished doing a little video of a red squirrel. They're always cute. It's always a nice, cute little interaction with a squirrel. Alright, so I'm gonna pack up and go do that. Okay. This is about halfway back on the property. Don't know if any of you guys recognize that. But I don't know, you can watch a video up there or whatever corner it's in. I have no idea. There's a couple videos on it. If you're into that bushcraft kind of stuff, yeah, there you go. If you're into outdoor stuff and photography, hiking, backpacking, bushcraft, you know, kind of a variety, and give her a sub. It's pretty much the best way to support the channel, I guess. And yeah, I don't know, it's been mostly bushcraft lately, because that seems to be the only thing that gets views, even though you know, I do kind of feel it's a little bit empty compared to going fishing or hiking with your family or something, you know. But people seem to like ASMR fort building videos, so I got the woods, I might as well do it, I guess. So yeah, anyway, subscribe, all that good jazz, leave a comment. I noticed that helps. Comments help the algorithm for some reason. So yeah, everybody, almost home, I guess, halfway there. Oh, there's some chickadees in this tree here. Alrighty, so I'm just out here in the airport. Oh, there's the hawk way over there. I'm videoing the wrong spot. Darn. Well, I guess I gotta go for a walk. There. I'm out here in the airport, across the road from my house, and I'm trying to get some video and pictures of the hawk. 1 second. Well, I didn't see him again after I set up the camera, so that's what happens. But yeah. So I'm out here in the airport trying to get some pictures and a video of a hawk, or a northern harrier, female northern harrier. She's been out here, I don't know, several years, probably 10, maybe 10 years now. I got some really good pictures of her in 2022. Didn't really take any pictures of her last year, but I'm hoping to today. That's the goal. So I have decided to come and Watch that perch over there. The hawk often comes and lands on there. Just looks for something to eat, I guess. So I'm gonna watch that perch and wait for my daughter to show up so I can still see my house from here. So that is what I'm doing at the moment. There's lots of birds all around me, but they're too far away for my little tiny camera, my little tiny lens. It's only a 55 to 250. I would love to get a 500 or a 600, something that can zoom out that far. That would be great. Soon, I guess, eventually. I need more views. So subscribe and watch a playlist or something. Let it run through when you go to work on loop. So the reason I chose this spot, I don't know if you can see, the perch, behind the perch is nice and dark, and the bird is pure white pretty much. So I'm hoping that'll give a nice contrast. If it'll land there, maybe take off, get some video of that, hopefully. Alright, no such luck here, so I'm moving on. I'm gonna go over there. That's where I seen it fly into. I heard it over there yesterday squawking, so I'm gonna go check out over there. Let's go. Well, I'm there. Just followed a game trail. I don't see any hawks. I don't see any hawks, and that's what I came for. But we'll keep our eyes peeled. Got a porcupine up in the tree here. Just taking a few pictures, videos of it. It's pretty cool. It's very slow. I think that should be enough. Nothing spectacular. It's only a porcupine, I guess. Still, pretty cool. He is coming down slowly, so I might be able to get some better pictures if I wait here a while. I just seen the hawk. Right over there. flies around this area for a little while. Be nice to get it on video. I've literally been trying to get it on video for 4 days. I always just like get a glimpse and then it flies away. See them vultures back there? There's 2 of them. Should be able to, eh? It's pretty close, actually. Well, I forgot what I was going to say, actually. Before I was so rudely interrupted by those turkey vultures. Got a few pictures of them, I guess. Nothing spectacular. Nothing spectacular. They headed on. So yeah, I don't know. What have I got for video? Pictures. Some deer. Northern Harrier hawk is always too far away for me to get some nice pictures and video. It's always like I see a little glimpse and then it's gone. So I don't know. Hopefully I have enough pictures and video and stuff. A little video would be nice. It's been a while since I did a photography video. I do a lot of photography, but I don't do videos too often. Mostly just because my my lens is a little bit lower quality, so it doesn't produce those amazing Instagram super sharp quality pictures, but still fun, still sharper than the iPhone. But I have worked up quite the hunger coming out here. I don't know, I probably walked a couple kilometers anyway. Seen some deer, porcupine, seen the hawk. Didn't get very much good footage of it. Be nice to see something on the way back. But yeah, hopefully there's enough here to make a little bit of a video. If not, then I'll just keep recording, I guess, until I get something good. You would think with this, all these openings, it's like a perfect little area for hawks and owls. And I mean, you can see there's openings, trees all over. It kind of gives me the Steve Matthews feel in here. Not too many spots around here where you can walk in between trees like this. It's like an old farm field, I guess. Yeah, pretty lucky, I guess, to have something like this across from my house. There's a sunbird up there. Looks kind of small, maybe a blue jay. Yeah, well, I think I'm getting about to the end of my walk here because I'm getting pretty tired, to be honest. Getting pretty tired, and that was the hawk. So I'm gonna get my camera ready here in case it flies over. Alrighty, well, I probably walked for another 30 minutes after I said I was going to stop. So that's just what happens when you're out here having fun, I guess. But yeah, if you somehow made it this far in the video, do all that good stuff down below. Subscribe, leave a comment. I do notice the comments sure help the algorithm for whatever reason. So if you can, leave a comment. Tell me how bad this video was. didn't really get too much good footage, I guess. I should have, the other day when I got some good pictures of the geese, I didn't even think to take some video. It would have been an amazing video. They were probably like 100 yards from me out on the water, and they swam right up to me. So I figured they must be city geese, right? Swam right up to me, stayed there for about 5 minutes, gave me lots of good shots, and then flew away. Look at this. Way out in the middle of the airport. Wonder what that's about. Huh. Subscribe, like, comment. I do notice the comments sure do help the algorithm for whatever reason. I don't know why, but I notice whenever somebody leaves a comment, the views go up. So if you can, leave a comment. Tell me how bad this video was, how good it was. Give some feedback, and some really huge amount of donations so I can get myself a better lens than this piece of junk. I mean, it's not bad, I guess, for a kit lens, but yeah, no, I'm just joking. Anyways, take care, and see you on the next one.